angle brush to apply my bronzer. Ooh, first time to try. Just do it here on the side, in the edge, the jawline here. Ganun siya. Dito sa forehead, para to make your face look skinny. Diba? Ganun po yun eh. Yan. I think I like it. Gusto ko yung bronzer niya. Para na rin ako nag-blush on. Tama mo, diba? Look at my face. And I like the powder itself. Like parang yung consistent niya. That's enough. Yeah. Diba? Ang cute, diba? Ang ganda oh, guys. And then, my brow is not enough now. Now the lipstick. It's like this. Yeah. There. I think I should do my mascara. Not sure. But I have this. And yung bronzer, guys, para na rin ako nag-blush on, guys. Because it's bronze. I like it. It's like that. Go all the way here. Para mukhang lifting yung face natin. Then, just this. Yeah. Just a simple look before husbands come home.